Anyways, I want to say welcome to you. I'm Dr. Mandel. Today we're going to be talking about infrared. Infrared is an amazing light. It's something that's going to do wonders for you. Those people suffering with chronic problems. Let me just go ahead and give you a picture just to give you a little idea about wavelengths. Now, if you look at the wavelengths of light, you can see it starts on the shorter wavelength on one side and works through different colors all the way through the longer wavelength. This shows you in nanometers the amount of wavelengths from one side of the ultraviolet scale to the infrared scale. Wavelengths are basically depending upon that's what it's going to do when it comes to an X-ray, when it comes to light, when it comes to heat. And it gets a little complex, but for our sake, we are concentrating on infrared light on the light spectrum between 700 to 1200 nanometers. That is the longer wavelengths. Let's see if I have another picture here. This will just show you how powerful infrared is. Infrared goes deep into the skin through the subcutaneous layers. It goes beyond the dermis, beyond the epidermis, obviously. You can see the depth of what infrared does. I can tell you through my own experience, the healing ability of what this does. This actually penetrates deeply into cells.
Near-infrared light therapy is FDA cleared for increasing circulation. Near-infrared light penetrates the bony skull and can reach areas deep in the brain that are underperfused. Research conducted by Dr. Michael Hamblin, principal investigator at the Wellman Center for Photomedicine at Mass General Hospital and associate professor at Harvard Medical School, suggests the fact that near-infrared light can penetrate into the brain would allow non-invasive treatment to be carried out with a low likelihood of adverse treatment-related side effects. Furthermore, low-level light therapy may have beneficial effects in the acute treatment of brain damage injury by increasing respiration in the mitochondria, causing activation of transcription factors, reducing key inflammatory mediators, and inhibiting apoptosis. Near-infrared light is well studied and is known to cause the release of nitric oxide from red blood cell hemoglobin and thus is a powerful vasodilator.
In 1998, the Nobel Prize was awarded to 3 U.S. scientists collectively for their discovery of nitric oxide. So now we know it's the main molecule produced by the cells that line every centimeter and inch of blood vessels. It maintains normal blood pressure. It's a molecule produced by our white blood cells that helps fight off invading bacteria and viruses and even kills off rapidly dividing cancer cells. And it's a neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. So it's basically involved in every biological system within the body.
And the treatments that we've instituted in them with near-infrared light therapy has shown is that even though the injury happened several